Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Right now, we are in the middle of taking some covers off of this 2002 Polaris Ranger. And we've already taken the backrest off, but here's the cover underneath, or this is the seat underneath the cover. Right here, you can see how good of shape this is in. Now, we've had these covers on for the last 6 years now, and even before that, I actually believe this is the original, if I'm not mistaken, this is the original vinyl that was on this seat. But we know, guarantee, we know that for the last 6 years, a cover's been on there. Cover was on here. Cover's kind of worn out now, but the cover was taking that wear instead of this original seat taking that wear. If the original seat was taking the wear, this would be all cracked out, beat up, split out. We see it all the time. We get tons of photos back from customers that are saying, I should have put a seat cover on my seat. Well, get a seat cover ordered for your seat and get the wear and tear on the seat cover instead of your seat, so it preserves your seat underneath. You can do that. Get a cover order for your vehicle by going to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So get one ordered today at coversandcamo.com.